Recently, Nigerian Immigration Service announced online portal that allow you to process your international passport, whether you want to renew or you want to apply for new international passport. Do it yourself online without pay a dime to agent. All you have to do is to make sure you follow the process I'm about to explain to you right here in this video. You can do this on your phone or on PC, whichever way, provided that you have access to internet and you have your NIN, you are Nigerian by birth. Whether you are in Nigeria or you are in the diaspora, you can do this online without pay a dime to any agent. Let me walk you through step by step. The very first thing you need to do here is to go ahead and open up your browser. I'm using Chrome browser right here. Then go ahead and click on plus sign right here to create a new tab. Then click on search and type in passport.immigration.gov.ng, just like so. Hit enter. And it's going to load to this particular official website right here. And this is the exact website you need right now for your passport application. This is a passport application portal for applicants applying from within Nigeria. If you are applying from within Nigeria, click on the continue button right here. Okay. Then to apply from outside Nigeria, click on apply from outside Nigeria right here. This is for the diaspora application process, and this is for Nigeria right here. So as for me, I'm in Nigeria. I will simply click on continue right here, and then it's going to take us to this particular stage right here. Passport application service. All citizens of Nigeria, either by birth, descent, adoption, registration, or naturalization, are eligible for Nigerian passport, provided they satisfy all conditions prescribed by law. Nigerian citizens by naturalization, registration, adoption, and surrogacy can only process their application at the NIS headquarters, Abuja. That is for that. Then here, these are the steps you need to follow right here. Apply, and these are the services you can do right here. You can apply for fresh passport. If you have not had a passport before, apply for fresh. Then if you want to apply for renewal or reissue your passport, this is what you need right here. Then apply for correction of data. This is what you need right here. Then scroll down right here. Resume or edit your application. So in case you made mistake when you are trying to process your application of your passport, this is what you need right here. Application status or print result. Click here to check your status of application. Then you want to book an appointment for capturing, as the case may be, and read this right here. Before you proceed, check center availability, test photo upload. These are the things you need to do. So first thing first, click on check center availability right here. This is for Nigerians. So you know which center is actually available for your capturing, as the case may be. Choose your preferred country, select and find the availability data center, things like that. So here, then test photo upload. Click here to check your passport size photo compliance before you proceed to the passport application. So click on here and check the details about how passport should look like. So what you need to do right here to simply upload the passport that you want to use for the application process. You can check on photo instructions right here. This will give you an insight about how your passport photo should look like. You can see it right here. Image size should be less than 2 megabytes. Image resolution should be 600 by 800, and then must have white background. Hair should not cover the face. Do not use any appear or headphone or mask. Should have proper lighting, either too dark nor too light. ICAO guideline have relaxation for kids under the age of 5. Kid must look toward the camera and the face should be center. So this is for photo guideline. So if you meet up all these criteria, simply click on test photo upload right here. So just upload your photo or click on upload photo. Then if your photo meets the application requirement, then you are good to go. You can simply come back right here. You can easily come back to your application right here and then start with your passport processing application right here. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this particular information in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.